Hello everyone, a very warm welcome back to another Black Country homebrew video. In today's video we are going to be doing a tasting review on the Brewbro'S Clockwork Tangerine clone, which is a Brewdog beer, and I bought the clone kit from them. If you haven't seen the video of the brew day, I'll put it up the top. Feel free to click on it. I went through the kit, my thoughts, what you get with the kit, and the actual brew day from start to finish. So the beer itself was fermenting for about 12 days, I think. That includes a dry hop, and has now been in the keg. I think it's just a day shy of the 2 weeks conditioning time that I normally do. I will say I did have a quick sample of this about 3-4 days ago, just to see how it was getting on and check the carbonation level. It was under carb, so I have turned the carbonation up in preparation for this video. So I have sampled it beforehand. But either way, we're going to give it a try today. I'm going to tell you my thoughts and basically would I buy this kit again. So here is the beer. It did have a lovely head when it came out. It has been sat on the side for probably 5 minutes. But as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely colour. It's orange. Camera might not do it justice, especially with the lighting in the conservatory today, because it's a very gloomy day outside. But as you can see, it looks like a beautiful beer. So it has been cold crashing during the 2 weeks that I've had it in the keg, but it hasn't really cleared. I didn't use any Irish moss, protofloc or clearing agents in this. And also I did use carton bought store orange juice instead of any extract. So I do think that's coming into play when it comes to clearing the beer, but either way, I am more than happy to drink hazy beers. I do actually really enjoy the haziness. So let's get into it. Just give it a bit of a swirl. It smells banging really. So straight away you've got the smell of hops, but also you've got the oranges there. So as I did say, I have used carton bought orange juice, not tangerine extract. So I don't know if you were using that, it'd come through anymore. But on the instructions, it says if you ain't got either of those, then to substitute it, use 100 ml per litre of orange juice, which is what I did. But yeah, it smells like an IPA. It's got a lovely hop aroma, and then the orange is there as well. Really, really pleased with how that smells. I didn't try the initial Clockwork Tangerine beer from Brewdog, so I don't have anything to base it on. So in this review, really, I'm just going to be basing on would I buy it again and would I brew the kit. Just going for the taste. Cheers. Yeah, it's really, really nice. So, excuse me, it's citrusy. Citrus is the main thing, as you'd expect with a tangerine flavoured beer. Initially, you do get the orange juice. You can taste the orange in it, and then you just hit with like a mouthful of absolutely beautiful hops. Let's go in for a second one. It's turned out having a really, really nice feel, mouthfeel that is. It's got a lot of body to it. It's beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful when you're drinking it. It's got lovely mouthfeel. It's like a hop explosion in your mouth. Mixture of sensations and tastes. You've got your citrus. I think there's a bit of tropical there. On the aftertaste, there is tropical there. It's only very slight, but straight away it's citrus and then tropical. It's cracking pint, spot on. That's I've been watching some of the videos back and I keep saying spot on all the time, so I think I might carry that on. It's spot on. So would I brew this kit again? Absolutely. So the whole experience of the brew day itself, followed by how the beer tastes, absolutely fantastic. Brewbro'S, if you haven't watched their videos, their YouTube's really cool. They're quite funny when they do their videos. They do some cracking cracking recipes and brew some brilliant beers, so check them out if you haven't checked them out before. They've got a website now with a load of all grain kits on. What I really liked about the kits was the fact that you could choose what size you want, so this was a 10 litre batch. Excuse me. Sometimes you don't want to brew the full kit, so I really like that. That burp, actually, loads of citrus straight away when I did that. So yes, if you haven't tried this, if you like the original beer, then I'm guessing it's a good clone. As I say, I didn't try the original, but I'd definitely buy this again for the cost of it, the ease, the way it was presented when it came, absolutely fantastic. So go check it out. I'll leave a link to it below. I'm not affiliated in any way, I'll just say that. It was bought with my own money just to try it out because I do like the videos. So absolutely fantastic. Well done, Brew Bros. Absolutely class. I should be trying some more beers off you. I've just got a massive backlog of beer at the moment that I need to get through, but I will be trying them again. To everyone, have a class weekend. This is a Friday. I'm off the weekend, so I shall be having a few beers myself. Let me know what you're drinking. And if you haven't subscribed or this is the first time watching a video, check out my catalogue of other videos. I've got brew days, tastings, etc. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers.